Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching the prerequisites, level 50 or higher and 10 mining picks. This ensures you can trigger the penguin spawn. Once ready, equip Boost Potion and a heavy backpack so you can collect loot without returning. Move to the icy cavern between -400 and -200 on X and climb to 100-2200 Y. This places you in the penguin's spawn range. Begin a short circular mine pattern to expose nodes quickly. This raises spawn probability and saves time. Once in the loop, you focus on efficient node cycles to keep spawn windows open. Run 12 to 15-minute circuits so the game engine can refresh tiered spawns. Equip Warmth Torch and Sonic Bell to suppress small hostile mobs and draw in juvenile creatures that trigger the penguin event. Mine high-yield nodes and leave roughly 0. 5 spacing to prevent permanent node collapse. This encourages new nodes and increases encounter rates. Track time with a visible timer to sync your rotations precisely. When the huge mining penguin appears, bait it with rare fish or deploy 3x fish lure. You need to immobilize it briefly so you can apply growth serum and net gadget. Quickly seal the immediate area with ice barricade to prevent interference, then stun and administer the serum to grow its size while avoiding damage. This preserves loot quality. If no spawn occurs, fast travel out, wait 5 minutes to force a zone reset, then repeat the loop. This solves most spawn-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.